What's today's job? Chairs. Chairs. Seats. Chairs is what you have on your dining table. Seats is what you have in a car. Right, let me come around here and I'll show you our progress so far. Seats. Cobra. Are they Cobra? No, we don't even know. We don't even know what they are. They are unbranded bucket seats, but they don't fit any of the natural seat mounts, of course. Nothing fits anything as far as Mazdas are concerned. But we've got to get seats fitted. No seat, no drift. Such manly strength. This is how he prepares the ramps.
Oh, that rich aroma.
It's a nice smell, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, I wouldn't define it as a healthy smell. It is the smell of racing.
It is.
Problems we never thought we'd have in Scotland. It's about 22 degrees out here and we are boiling. We need a workshop, Dave. A big one. Cool when it's hot and warm air when it's raining and snowing. Maybe one day, right? Maybe if we need to start selling merch.
Yeah.
Lanyards and t-shirts, that's where the real money is at, not in YouTube adverts. But very important stage here. Before we start welding things, we've got to make sure that the height works. Because if you can't get your noggin in there with a helmet, oh, you're fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
No.
Yeah, that would have been a bit of a fail if like we'd welded it all in and then discovered we couldn't get a fat head inside.
Plenty of people with the fucking helmets touching the
Rattling off the roof.
rattling off the roll
We
cage.
could cut a hole.
That's a hammer.
No. So we're looking for a bracket type piece. Dave needs a piece of angle iron so that the new seats can mount onto some steel, because the Mazda frame doesn't have any place for us to put those bucket seats and weld them in properly while retaining their ability to slide and pivot. So we want to keep the slidey pivotiness. Let me see if I can show you. So the seat brackets don't have, like if we put a set of standard rails on, they are too high, because there's already not a lot of clearance under the steering wheel there. There's my hand for scale. So we're going to try and fabricate a bracket so that we can put this rail onto it and keep our ability to tilt and slide, and have these lighter bucketier seats, which do need a bit of a wash, but I ain't doing it.
Ghetto fab.
Ghetto fab, yeah. Pretty much all we know how to do at this point.
Yeah, pretty much. How good is it though?
Job to steal, Dave.
Should be.
I think you got partial safety. Ears and eyes, hands not so much. Did you just...
What I did was join that earth club to the table by my hand.
Ow! Is that a first for you?
It's the first, the only other thing I've let people say up is the MIG welder in the rain.
In the rain?
I was wet, my gloves are wet, I was holding the bell. Ow! We're done!
Yeah, I'm gonna go inside.
I'm going inside now.
Another top tip, don't weld in the rain. That's a good noise.
Flying. Some poor bastard's gonna have to straighten that. That there. That there. Bit of weld. Biff buff buff.
Now, can you imagine trying to do this without a welder? Wouldn't be possible.
No! Bits of wood. Make a timber frame.
Yeah, timber frame drift
Down,
seat.
screw up through the car.
Yeah.
That would actually probably work.
Carbon steel drywall screws.
Yeah. That surface prep, yo.
That's so shiny. There's a cordless welder. No, cordless welder. That'd be a good trick.
No, no.
If you
They exist.
if you make a cordless welder and you want us to test it out, you get in touch. Hey, we'll do it for free.
They do a cordless welder. Is a thing. It exists.
Is it millions of dollars?
I don't think it's as bad as millions of dollars, but
I bet those battery packs are dangerous.
I think the whole battery pack's like in the welder. It's just a.
Just a whole.
It's essentially just a
pack.
massive battery.
But the cordless grinder, is that? It doesn't look like it has the same amount of speed as your corded ones. It's supposed to be doing the job though. Its convenience is.
So it says 8,500 RPM.
Huh.
Yeah. I know it gets slower as the batteries gets down.
More batteries is the answer to that problem.
Yes.
You done this before?
What?
Welding.
No, it's first time. I built car.
First time weld, I built car myself. Is good. Grind down, weld, bish bosh. Drift.
Drift.
So tack, and then fill between them.
Tack, measure.
That's also a good policy.
Job done. Put seat in. Go.
That's it. Ready. Drift.
It's ready to drift.
Are the gases in any way noxious or caustic or anything like that?
Only for welding on galvanised metal. Which we're not.
Oh yeah, I remember we did a job with that once before and had to hold our breath a bit.
You know what I should have done now? Welded the other side first.
Why?
Because then it'd be far away. I would not have to lean over my hot welds to weld the other bit. Now I have to lean.
No, could you do this side of the car first?
No, fuck that side, it's for the passenger. That's getting fucking tech screwed to the floor or something. It doesn't have to be in line with anything.
Passenger safety is not important.
No, passenger.
Nor does the seat have to be straight.
Correct, passenger alignment doesn't matter. I don't have to have it aligned with pedals or steering wheels.
Right.
It can literally go.
So if it is on the cock, it doesn't matter.
No.
I mean, it's on the cock right now.
Yeah.
It's couped.
It's couped.
Welded in place. Pretty good looking weld. That can't have been Dave. Thought you were going to have to spit on it there.
I thought about going for lubricant, but
Other seat bracket into the angle iron, bolted through. But welded at the front. That's the front left. Welded on. Hopefully that will be enough to stop this thing from falling over when we get drifty.
that's better. That's a bit refined. That's a bit. Heaven's hot. Heaven's hot. Hey, it's a dance. It doesn't tip backwards anymore.
Does that feel like an official drift car now? Well, drift Crocs. I wonder if we get a bit heel and toe drift Crocs.
Left foot braking,
I wonder if we could get an official line of vPerformance safety Crocs.
This is actually surprisingly in line.
Given that you've never done such a thing before.
Well, given that it doesn't.
Mind in case any of that's hot down next to your fingers.
No, it's made of back extensions. Look, so that's right up at that wee Dave's size.
You've-
And then there's all the way back.
Oh, I tell you what,
Till I can't reach the pedals.
if anyone has to sit in the back, there's enough for a can of beverage.
To be fair, there wasn't a lot of space when it started.
There you go. Drift ready. Man, that's a lot of leg room you've got
I
there.
can't get the clutch all the way to the ground. Ready to go.
Drift. Hydro handbrake. Missing. Next job. How much recline have you got? Oh yes.
Oh, obviously I'm squashing my tools, but I could go further than that.
Luxury drift.